Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can adjust touch gestures of your JBL Tune Flex. So first of all, you have to open the headphones, JBL headphones application, and select them from the main screen. And next you have to scroll down until you find the gestures. Then click on this arrow, and right now we can adjust gestures for the left and the right earbud. Here you can also find all gestures that are set up for the default. So on the left one, when you tap once, we can switch between the noise cancellation and the ambient mode. For the double tap, we can go to the talk through, we can turn it on or off, and also for the tap and the hold, we can activate the native voice assistant. So let's try, for example, the last option. Click and hold on the touchpad, and as you can see, we successfully enable this voice assistant. If you want to customize these options, you have to simply click on this arrow, just like that. And for the tap one, you can, for example, switch to the volume control. If you want to do this for the double tap, there's honestly no kind of this feature. So looks like you can only customize the single tap. Let's take a look how it works for the right one. Yeah, looks like now we can only change the gestures only for the single tap. So that's a little bit weird actually, but yeah. You can customize some things right here. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.